People throw 800 horsepower at this engine, and it just shrugs. Here's why. The Toyota 2J ZGTE is a 3.0-liter inline-six from the Mark IV Supra. On paper, it was modest, capped at 276 horsepower by Japan's Gentleman's Agreement. But Toyota built it like they were expecting a war. The block is cast iron, not aluminum, with a closed-deck design. The cylinders are wrapped in a solid wall of metal. That's the secret. Most engines flex or crack when you force big boost into them. The 2JZ just holds. Add a forged crankshaft on 7 main bearings and a bottom end wildly over-engineered for anything the factory needed. Tuners learned you could bolt on a bigger turbo, crank up the boost, and chase 4-digit horsepower on the original internals. That almost never happens. Most engines need a full rebuild to survive it. The 2JZ was ready straight out of the crate. So when people call it bulletproof, they're not exaggerating. Toyota overbuilt one of the toughest engines ever made, and then sold it in a sports car. More car education at inertiagarage.com.